In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crankcase breather hose on this Audi A4. It's going to be located on the top of the engine, and this vehicle has the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the engine cover. Just grab underneath, pick up, and the hose is located right here. Attach the intake. Now we're just going to push down on the two sides, just to disconnect it. There's a little lock that slides off. Then on the other side, do the same. That'll come right out. Now take the new hose. You can put a little silicone on the O-rings or some O-ring lubricant. Line that up. This bracket might be in the way a little bit. Push that on. Line this up over here. And lock that down as well. It's locked down. Grab the engine cover. Just line it up. And push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.